Welcome back from Mentor English. Today, it was requested by some of my particular viewers and watchers that you are also a player of some games. So, tell us about some Montessori games for particularly for junior students or the student of primary or the student of elementary. So, this is the first game I wanna show you, the boom beach, and I have some important updates here. Right now I'm at 72 level here, so let me just bring up with the hammerman. So let's see what happened. I'm giving you the with this particular view I'm gonna share some important information that what types of Montessori games and what are the Montessori games. Actually, the Montessori games are usually used in the capability of a child, enhancement of the brain, and the activity, creativity, and inquiry of the brain of a child. So this is the best game. This game is particularly for the management of the student psyche, the child psyche, and this game is particularly about the child psychology, and it give all the essentials because it is against the theory of pubg, and it is against the theory of god of war, and it is against the theory of all other particular most famous games like free fire or the game of throne. So this game have some important features of time management, resource management, and classical management, and the pro or modern management. Particularly this game give a student or a child or your youngster or your youngs one that how to maintain the army, how to maintain and gather the resources, and how to manipulate them, how to collect them, how to use them, how to reuse them, and how to emphasize all these particular merits and demerits and the parameters of this particular game. So here you can see I'm trying, this is my warship, and I have sent my army to a particular warship, and let's see what happened. Till now I am victorious, but I think so at the end or at the nearest, let's see what happens. So I think so I will be defeat here right now, so I am defeated. Anyhow, let's try again. Before going to further, let me show you that how this game works. This is a particular connectivity game, and it will not disturb your students or your child or your son or your daughter's time management, because there are particular upgrading buildings. There have some particular time. Let me show you that I'm again attacking on a warship. So let's see what happened, and let me just fetch the idea. And there is a grappler, so I'm going to hit the grappler. So my army is going to occupy and attacking particularly here. So the first parkour is going to be destroy, and it is destroyed. And now we are going to the second particular parkour, and we are on the equal level. Two parkour of mine is remaining, and the two parkour of my enemies are remaining. Now I have victorious for another parkour, and the last parkour of my enemy is remaining, but I have two parkours still. So let's see what happened. Oh, and I have got the victory here. And let's spectate the enemy. So as you can see here, my one parkour is remaining, and I hope so that I will definitely fetch the victory, as you can see. So yes, I've got the victory. So this game, I have got a call here right now, so let me just skip it for you. so I'll fetch it after some time. So I'm victorious here right now, as you can see. So yes, Professor M. Raza victorious with 2 minutes and 59 seconds, and I've got 15 points here right now. So, and let me cut it off that because I have call again. So now I'm having the daily chest, and I have got more than 800 queens. So I'm gonna upgrade some buildings right now. Oh, and yeah, first I'm going to upgrade the troop health. Let me, yes, first I have upgraded the mines. Now I'm going to upgrade the uh, sniper towers. Sniper towers are going to be upgraded. Now I have more than 4 snipers, and now I'm going to upgrade the troops, power of the troops or health of the troops. Now I'm going to upgrade the mines. So 4x, 2 more, and 2 more. Now I'm going to install all these things to my warship or torpedo. So here you can see, first I'm going to put and install the snipers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The next to the grappler, yes, here I am gonna put the fourth sniper tower. So after sniper tower, and I'm gonna install the boom mines, and let's see where should I put them. Yo, here I put them 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 6. Fifth and sixth boom mine I installed here. Now I'm gonna install the simple mines here, and let's see. One, here, one, two, let me fetch it back. 1 2 3 4 and 5, so and 6, these are, and 7 too. These are the simple mines. Let's go further to the state of the next particular level, and I'm gonna give you the information of this Montessori game. And let me attack again to a particular torpedo, and let's see what happened. Or let me fetch it out. So because the vlog is going to very long, so let me fetch it to short, and I'm going to short it more. So this is my detail of this particular Montessori game, and I'm at level 7, this new arrival of warship. It's usually come fortnightly after 14 days. So this is my actual base, this is my army, the tanks, the scorchers, and then the monument at level 130. So these are my prototypes. I'm gonna make a sky shield. So this is, I'm going to enhance the speed up the construction 1 2 3 and 4. So I use tokens to speed up again. Now I want to install the sky shield here. So okay, now I'm going to make another prototype. So I'm going to make a shock blaster. So shock blaster, I'm creating it with this particular, I'm using to install the shock blaster here. So I'm going to make another prototype of boom cannon. So speed up 1 2 3 4 and 5. I use 5 tokens. So now I'm going to install the doom cannon here, and after this prototype I'm going to make a laser beam. So laser beam is usually very furious to all the troops of your enemy. So these are very informative issues here. for your child particularly. So this game is much better than pubg, than free fire, and then that of the game of throne, or then that of the game of civilization, and then that the game of the god of war. So after this, and now I'm gonna share you my task force. The enemy of my the name of my task force is Pakistani Stars, and this is the we are at the top 30 of in Pakistan, and in the worldwide we are on in top 500. So here you can see, and that's a very brilliant effort too. So it gives your child how to do a task collectively, how to do a task with some more than four people, because in pubg there are four persons. In this is the link of our task force to join, and here are some other informations. So after this, now my vlog is going to be end, and before going further, I will definitely show my next vlog, and that is also the company of this game is Supercell, and I have another game, Montessori game, and that is also for my students and for my watchers and for my viewers, and the name of the game is Heyday. That is also developed by the same company Supercell, and available freely at Play Store. So in before this, I'm fetching my all the details. So here you can see I have some victorious diamonds. So after this, we are going to I'm gonna show you the next important game, and that is Heyday. And here you can show me some important. Let me just off it. Yeah, I'm gonna exit it now, and I'm going to on and I'm going to play the game of Heyday. So this is the game Heyday, that is also Montessori game, and that is quite odious and different than that of Boom Beach. In Boom Beach, you are a soldier, but in Heyday you are a peasant, you are a farmer, you are a landlord. So you are going to, here you can see these are my updates. I'm at level 104 in this particular game, but I will give you the review of this particular game in my next vlog. So before going to I would like to request you that must subscribe and hit the bell icon. I have another challenge for channel for the services of Urdu, Murshid Urdu Professor M. Raza, and another channel for the services of logic, philosophy, and history, and conjugation of Urdu and English grammar, by the name of Jamid Darulum Sheikh Islam. I would like to request you that subscribe and hit the bell icon. And before going, I would like to request you that let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day. I will definitely came back with you with the new vlog, with the new topic, with the new lecture, with the new video, or with the new tour, or with the new function, inshallah. Thank you very much, and bye bye.